Alam mo ba kung bakit maraming gustong maging content creator pero hirap na hirap pumili ng one niche? Hindi dahil wala silang talent, hindi dahil wala silang idea, kundi dahil may mga invisible barriers na hindi nila napapansin. Let's talk about it. Una, fear of missing out. Yung tipong iniisip mo kapag nag-focus ako sa isang niche, baka mawalan ako ng ibang opportunities. So anong ginagawa mo? Nagpo-post ka ng halo-halo, minsan motivation, minsan comedy, minsan negosyo, minsan random. At ang resulta, confuse ang audience mo at mas lalong confuse ang algorithm. Because the truth is, clarity creates growth. Confusion kills momentum. Pangalawa, lack of self-awareness. Hindi mo pa talaga kilala ang sarili mo. Tanungin mo ang sarili mo, ano ba talaga ang kaya kong ibigay na value? Ano ang experience ko na pwedeng makatulong sa iba? Kasi hindi mo kailangan maging expert sa lahat. Kailangan mo lang maging one step ahead sa audience mo. Third, perfectionism. Yung feeling mo kailangan perfect ang niche mo bago ka magsimula. Dapat ito na talaga yung pang-lifetime. Dapat ito yung kikita agad. But here's the reality. You don't find your niche. You build it. You test, you fail, you adjust, you improve. Fourth, comparison. Nakikita mo si ganito successful sa motivation, si ganito kumikita sa negosyo, sa ganito viral sa entertainment. So ang ending, gusto mo silang lahat gayahin. But listen carefully. You can learn from them, but you cannot be them. Your power is in your own story, your own voice, your own journey. Fifth, lack of patience. Gusto mo agad results. Pag hindi nag-viral, lipat ng niche. Pag walang kita, lipat ulit. Pag walang engagement, quit. Consistency builds identity. Identity builds trust. And trust builds income. Hindi overnight ang success sa content creation. So anong dapat mong gawin? Very simple. Start with what you know. Start with what you love. Start with what you have experienced. Then commit. Give it time. Give it effort. Give it consistency. Habang ginagawa mo yan, doon mo makikita, this is my niche. Hindi mo siya biglang mahahanap, unti-unti mo siyang mabubuo. At tandaan mo ito, hindi ka stuck dahil wala kang niche. You're stuck because you're not deciding. So today, make a decision. Kahit hindi perfect, kahit hindi sigurado. Because clarity comes from action, not overthinking. At kapag ginawa mo ito, doon magsisimula ang tunay mong growth as content creator. Ano, nakatulong ba ito sa'yo? Paki-like, follow, and share na rin. And see you in the comment section.